Good morning and namaste from everyone at Lankia Foundation. This is going to be a historic event. We are really very grateful to Honorable Lieutenant Governor Shri Anil Baijal ji to squeeze out his very precious time in a very short time and bless us with his presence and to release an important video. He has been blessing us in all our major landmark initiatives in the past. This is a digital era. We generally follow a protocol of national anthem before the Governor speaks and after he finishes. But today it may not be possible, so we have his permission to do away with this protocol and focus on this short program. Very, very kind with us in the past. Everyone remembers on 23rd of December 2017 when 8,000 people, including 5,003 school children, remember with fondness his words of encouragement when the children of Delhi NCR created the Guinness World Record. Under his blessings, LCF has been growing rapidly across India in the service of people. We are committed to the cause of awareness, research, and clinical care. Shan is one of our programs, Saaf Hawa or Nagrik. It is an intensive, multi-format program spread across 2 years to enhance awareness about air pollution in Delhi and NCR. This is supported by the Public Affairs section of US Embassy in Delhi. Why this video chula? 49% of the population across the globe uses solid fuels for cooking. 2.31 million people die every year due to the exposure to household air pollution. Household air pollution is ranked ninth as a risk factor across the globe. In India, the number is much higher in the urban area as well as the rural area. There is a popular dictum: ignorance is no excuse. Even out of sheer ignorance, if someone keeps making us breathe a higher polluted air, it is considered nothing short of a crime. Yet, generally in this society, we thrive on it, especially when it comes to the simple act of cooking in the family. Little do we realize that it impacts the woman who is the primary user and the kids around us. This video is our attempt to link the fumes and smoke emanating from this chula as a kind of crime against the women. This also is adding our expression to the 16 days of activism against gender based violence, which is an annual international campaign that kicks off on 25th of November, the International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women, and runs until 10th of December, the Human Rights Day. We have made this video focusing on indoor air pollution and fuel wood or coal-based chula in semi-rural, rural JJ clusters with an emphasis on health impact for women. May I invite Dr. Arvind Kumar to speak briefly about the impact of chula in increasing external and internal air pollution on the health of the family members. We all know Dr. Arvind Kumar is the founder and managing trustee of Lung Care Foundation, and he is a chairman of the chest surgery at Sir Gangaram Hospital, Delhi. Dr. Arvind, please.
His Excellency, Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Shri Anil Baijal ji, Rajiv Khurana, distinguished guests, doctors from across the country, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning and namaskar to all of you. First and foremost, I must place on my record my very humble, very sincere thanks to Honorable LG Sir for taking time out of his busy schedule in a very, very short time and agreeing to release this video. As Rajiv said, Sir's blessings have been very precious for the growth of Lung Care Foundation. And Sir, we are indeed grateful and indebted for your ever-present support. It means a lot to us, Sir. Thank you, Sir. As Rajiv said, this video focuses on the problem of indoor air pollution. As we are all aware, in our cities, it is the ambient air pollution which is a major problem. But when we move to the rural areas where the cooking is still done on the use of solid fuel, whether it is lakdi or it is cow dung upla, which is the source of burning and fuel for them, it creates huge amount of smoke. And a lot of studies have been done on that smoke, and we found that the PM 2.5 levels in that smoke go up to as high as 25 to 30,000 per meter cube. Normally, when they go above 200, 300, 400 in Delhi, we start making noise, and there they are in thousands. And remember, the lady who's cooking is sitting next to the chulha. The little children are either sitting next to the chulha or playing inside the same room. That smoke remains inside the room, and the people there, including the elderly people, they keep inhaling that smoke and suffer huge damage, which is grossly underreported. As Rajiv mentioned, it does find mention as a cause of death amongst the rural people, but I think it's grossly underreported. The real dimension of the problem is much more than what has been reported. Our Honorable Prime Minister started a wonderful Ujjwala scheme where this chulha was meant to be replaced by the gas which was supplied. Over 8 crore households have been supplied. One of the problems which is occurring is that initially people are given the gas chulha and the cylinder free of cost or heavily subsidized. But when it comes to replacing that cylinder, they are tending to go back to using the chulha and not spending money. And two reasons are being cited. One is that it costs expenditure, whereas getting wood from the jungle is cheap for them. And two, which is more important and related to cultural traditions, taboos, is that the elderly people in the house say कि चूल्हे पर बनी हुई रोटी और खाने का स्वाद बहुत ही अलग होता है और उसको किसी भी तरह से गैस के चूल्हे से कंपेयर नहीं किया जा सकता. And this is the myth that we have tried to bust in this video कि health of the lady of the house is far more important than the taste of the chapati of the house. This is the ethos of this video. We plan to convert this video into more than 25 languages across the country and share it with the entire country so that it reaches every household, and the head of every household sees this video, realizes the message, and agrees that yes, the health of the lady of the house and the children in the house, and also that elderly person in the house, is more important than the swad of the chapati and the dal which is made on chulha. And my dream is that it helps in converting these non-converts into believing that money that you spend on the cylinder and this talk about chapati taste is irrelevant. Health is more relevant. Every penny that is spent on the cylinder returns in the form of better health of the children and the lady and the elderly people in the house. It's not a cultural problem or an economic problem. It's an attitudinal problem. It's a health issue. And I believe that doctors need to play a very important role. And Lung Care Foundation and Doctors for Clean Air takes a pledge that we'll try and take this message to every household in native languages. And this video is a humble effort in that direction. Thank you very much, Rajiv.
Thank you so much, Dr. Arvind. You always add words of caution, care, and the need for positive affirmative actions. Truly appreciate. May I now seek the permission from our Honorable His Excellency Shri Anil Bajal ji to play the video as a token of release by him. Sir, do I have your permission, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Let me play this on your behalf, and after that, we will be seeking your blessings.
कहते हैं कि मिट्टी का चूल्हा एक ऐसी चीज है जिस पर बने खाने का स्वाद और खुशबू की कोई बराबरी ही नहीं। हाँ जी, तारीफ करनी है तो चूल्हे पर खाना बनाने वाली के हुनर की कीजिए, ना कि चूल्हे की। कोयले, उपले या लकड़ी से जलने वाला यह चूल्हा तो सिर्फ धुआं देता है, ढेर सारा धुआं। दिन भर में लगभग 100 सिगरेट पीने के बराबर फेफड़ों को झुलसा देने वाला धुआं। इस धुएं से नारी के अलावा घर के बच्चों और बुजुर्गों सभी पर बुरा असर पड़ता है। नादान है हर घर का मुखिया जो स्वाद तो चाहता है पर धुएं पर दी गई परिवार की सेहत की कीमत को नहीं जानता। अज्ञान भी नारी, बच्चों और बड़े बूढ़ों पर एक तरह का अत्याचार है। कोयले, उपले या लकड़ी के चूल्हे के धुएं को कीजिए घर से दूर। इस्तेमाल में लाइए एक अच्छा और सही गैस का चूल्हा जरूर। घर की नारी संग कीजिए प्यार, ना कि अपनी उपेक्षा का अत्याचार। Thank you so much, sir, for your kind permission to release this video to the nation and dedicate it to the nation. This is historic. If this 1-minute video impacts one family through each one of us, it could be a major impact creator all across. May I now have the honor of inviting you to bless us with your kind words and guide us in our future actions, sir.
Dr. Arvind Kumar, Mr. Khurana, all those who are connected in this program. At the outset, I would like to compliment the Learn Care Foundation, Dr. Arvind Kumar and his team for doing this excellent work. I don't know for how many years, at least I know since the time I first interacted with him in 2017. So his dedication, his foundation's dedication to this cause of lung care is worth appreciation by one and all. So this is one more initiative they have started where they are talking about lung care of the household ladies who are forced to or by choice, they start using the materials from the either trees or whatever to burn in the chula for as Dr. Arvind Kumar said, for producing tasty food for the family. So as they say, if you educate a lady or lady of the house, you educate the family. If you take care of the health of the lady of the family, you're taking care of the health of the family. So it's a brilliant initiative. I would wish that you could convey it to everybody in this country that please, for God's sake, do not do this. If a lady's health is fine, let me tell you, beneficiaries would be the entire family members. And as the average family size grows, if there are 8 crore beneficiaries of Ujjwala Yojana, as Dr. Arvind Kumar said, then if we can get rid of this and take benefit, 40 crore beneficiaries would be there if you take 5 persons to a family. So it's a very good effort. And if there are any glitches, if there are any problems that after some time it falls in disuse or is not available, I think we need to look at them. But the initiative you are taking is for the purposes of education. I'm glad to say that at least in cities now, the number of gas connections are pretty high. Even in Delhi, I'm given to understand that it's more than 100%. So I'm not sure whether, although, I mean, in the households we have, yes, got these connections, but outside, it is a common sight to see during winter months. There's those who are guarding our houses. They stand on the street or they sit down on the street and they'll burn a little either cluster of broken leaves or broken branches of trees, and then that creates smoke. We are all suffering because of this. Delhi is pretty bad in winter months, and this year, particularly with COVID 19 and smoke and the pollution caused by all this, has become a deadly combination of things which would harm the health, even could lead to serious consequences. So, in that sense, this is a great initiative. I appreciate you to the bottom of my heart. And I wish you all success. May your venture and may your this commitment to be able to improve the lung condition and to teach us that right from the beginning, from childhood, we should take care of this, of our children, of our families, so that we can become a healthy society. I would conclude by once again complimenting you for a brilliant effort and your dedication to this cause. May God bless you. May God bless your organization and you keep doing the good work. All the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words of encouragement are always, always enthusing for us and gives us more power to work forward. Your words like taking care of a lady's health so that the family also benefit is very important and the nation benefits thereby. 8 crore beneficiaries as of today could influence 40 crores beneficiaries if we take a family of 5 size. All these words are very vital in terms of bringing about the desired change. Thank you so much for your presence and your blessings. Now it's upon us to start a simple each one tell one campaign. Share, show, talk, convince. One person can easily find around you in your neighborhood. Could be a chowkidar, could be a servant. They may be using the chula in their urban village or back in their village. They need to protect their families from the danger of smoke and fumes. Let this change begin. My request to all the participants would be share it on the social media. Retweet today, please. Spread across WhatsApp, Facebook, whichever way you find it convenient. Saving the health of just few women and children could be a major personal accomplishment for all of us. I must thank Honorable LG Shri Anil Bajal ji, his entire team at the LG office for all kind of support they have given to us. We also thank Mr. Carl, Mr. Anthony, Mr. David, and Mrs. Mandeep Kaur from the US Embassy and other members of the US Embassy for all the support they have given to us. We also thank all our partners, donors, foundations, and supporters who have stood by us for the last 5 years. I also thank all my colleagues at Lung Care Foundation, especially the leader, Dr. Arvind Kumar, Dr. Bilal, Abhishek, Machri, Mahendra Goyalji, Harsh, Dr. Harsh, Charu, Kritika, Siddharth, Hamid, Judith, Neha, and Shalini. Above all, we thank all the participants of the event for gracing the occasion today. This video shall be available on the Facebook page and the YouTube channel, also at the Twitter. Remember, each one tell one. Touch the life of one family at least from today. Thank you so much for joining. We are indeed very grateful. Namaste to all of you.